Hey everyone, for those who've been following the Atlas saga here on the channel, we have explosive news. The object passed perihelion on October 29th, and man, things got even stranger. We're talking about non-gravitational acceleration, trajectory deviations, and observations that are leaving even Harvard's Avi Loeb impressed. Let's get straight to what matters. On October 29th, when Atlas passed closest to our star, the ALMA telescope made a disturbing discovery. The object was 4 arcsecs off from its predicted position. That might sound small, but in space, that's very significant. This indicates non-gravitational acceleration, meaning some force beyond our star's gravity was acting on Atlas. And look, this isn't normal for a regular comet. Additionally, the Solar Observatory Stereo, SOHO, and Gaia 19 captured something unprecedented. Atlas brightened in a way never seen before and became bluer than our star itself. This is the 9th official anomaly of this object, but here's the crucial point that could change everything. If Atlas were a natural comet experiencing this acceleration, it would have had to lose at least 15% of its total mass. We're talking about more than 5 billion tons of material that should be floating around it in a gigantic cloud. And here we reach the moment of truth, folks. On December 19th, 2025, just a few weeks away, Atlas will pass closest to Earth. If it really lost all that mass, it would be impossible not to detect that debris cloud. If this cloud isn't found, we'll have the 10th anomaly, an object that accelerates without losing mass. And that, my friends, would be something completely outside what we know about comet physics. One fascinating thing Loeb mentions is that this proximity to our star created a unique opportunity to study gravitational lensing effects.
Basically, our star's gravity bends the light coming from Atlas, and this could give us additional information about its true nature. His calculation shows a deflection of 0.27 arcsecs, small but measurable. Now, for those just joining or wanting to remember this incredible story, I'm going to do a complete recap of everything we know about Atlas, because this isn't just another comet story. It's potentially one of the most important discoveries in human history. Atlas is the third confirmed interstellar object we know of. The others were the famous Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. But Atlas is radically different from anything we've ever seen. First, the size. We're talking about an object that's 1,000,000 times more massive than Oumuamua and 1,000 times larger than Borisov. To get an idea of the scale, if Oumuamua were a ping-pong ball, Atlas would be the size of a multi-story building. But it's not just the size. It also moves faster than the other two interstellar objects. Statistically, the chance of an object being simultaneously so large and so fast